Let's add another area light to light this darkened area here. So drop down menu, area light. I had the rotation tool on. Let me put it on move tool just to make this more comprehensible. E for move tool. So I want to light it like this stuff, and I want it facing the snowman. So now I'm going to hit R for rotate tool, and I want to rotate it along this axis. And if you look down at the rotation parameter down here, it's moving into a positive direction. So I want it, facing the snowman. So this parameter here, I can just type in 90, hit return, and the area light is facing the way I want it to face. Hit the letter E for move tool and move it up a little bit. And let's just scroll in here and pan. Again, this is kind of sort of the composition I'm going to have here. Let's see what it looks like when we hit render view. And I know it's going to be way too hot, these lights over here. We got blown out highlights and stuff. We'll have to address some other stuff later, but with the new light we just put in there, now that we know where it is, it's going to be to the left of the scene. I'm debating on whether to, since I know I'm going to render this way, I'm going to call this area left light. And that might get confusing later, but we'll deal with that when it comes. The intensity is too high on this thing, so coming down with this new light we just made selected, I'm going to crank this down probably at about 60 or so. And let me do render view, and that looks pretty nice actually. Again, this is not exact yet because I'm getting these weird highlight, then highlight there. It's the hat looks great though. So, but we can mess around and fuss with that stuff later on. So if you want to follow along exactly, let me give you the parameters for my area left light. I'm going to select it, and the intensity is 60%. The coordinates, let me round them off for you here. The rotation is 90 here. I got a negative 800 and some stuff, so I'll just put negative 800, hit return. This coordinate for the Y value is close to 100, so I'll change that to 100, hit return. So if you want the exact coordinates that I got, here they are. Negative 100 for X, 100 for Y, rotation 90 degrees, and just get it to, if you get it in the right ballpark, something like this, as you see on my screen, that's fine. See you in the next video.